There you go. Now we got ARVEN on a bike. Go one more round, then it's ARVEN's.
Are you sure you're videoing?
Yeah, go.
Yes.
Alright, here we go. ARVEN. This is the area where kids learn how to ride. Basically, it's a 50cc pit bike, so he's going pretty good for his first time. It's only his first time that he's on a bike, and we're quite surprised how he's balancing out. Well, there we have their uncle on a 250 KTM SX. So now we got AYRICK coming.
I'm 8 years old.
You did good, buddy.